Hello everyone, today I show you our buffet. Lemon tart champignon is traditional French dessert. Domino cake, coffee chocolate cake, variety of varine, mousse and jelly from the same varine. In blue we have jelly. A lot of kids love jelly, so we present it very nice way. We have sugar-free raspberry parfait and the garnish from patachoux. Because it's sugar-free, you cannot add it chocolate or any garnish. And here cheesecake with cherry cheesecake. Below brownie, nice cut round, then we have some cubes on top. And here centerpiece, cupcake, chocolate, coffee, vanilla and pistachio with pretzel, hazelnut, almond, caramel and chocolate. Chocolate showpiece in the center. As you see, you have to make something wow. And this ice cream station, we have freezer, cone for biscuit, and there's the same dessert in other side, so you don't avoid the raw in the buffet. As you see, varine, variety, mousse and jelly, little fruit and glaze, chocolate tart, fresh tartlet, and here we have creme brulee in glass, lemon tart, white chocolate tart, 3-layer chocolate cake, centerpiece, pretzel, biscotti, macaron, and this wedding cake because we have 2 weddings in this cruise, and this behind is all showpiece from chocolate. The ananas, the pineapple, the coconut, all from chocolate and pastillage. And here cookies corner, 3 kind of cookies. Another buffet. We have cassata cake, orange jelly, brownie, praline cake, chocolate praline cake, variety of varines, simple jelly, sugar-free dessert, some tarts, pretzel in centerpiece with condiment, some sugar and chocolate showpiece, ice cream, biscuit, sliced fruit, fresh fruit. Another day we have varine every day, tiramisu, chocolate mousse, mango mousse, strawberry chocolate. You see, every varine have different character of garnish. All match, looking good, looking sexy. Chocolate tart, simple and nice decoration. You can see you don't need to make something very complicated, just to make it nice, clean. Lemon meringue cake in rectangular shape with nice garnish, assorted creme brulee. You see the garnish, microwave sponge, meringue, cigar, 2 kind of garnish on the chocolate, white chocolate tart cheesecake. Here 3 layer, which very popular in US. In United States, you must make chocolate cake, cheesecake every day with different flavor because they love it. Another corner, another station. So every day you must make centerpiece, assorted brittle, biscotti, macaron, chocolate brittle. As you see, you must give everything to passenger to make your buffet looks nice, taste nice, presentable, fresh fruit, sliced fruit, nice sugar showpiece, nice chocolate showpiece, with little fun. Another presentation of the cake of Varine. So every day not the same. You must make nice variety to make people really love to come to your pastry corner. Sliced fruit, very important for some people. A variety of cookies to have it with the tea. Mexican chocolate cake with banana, flan, baba, cassata, mix varine, jelly, mango parfait, sugar-free, cheesecake with cherry, and the centerpiece today was carrot cake with icing, frosting, chocolate showpiece centerpiece, mix ice cream, and all this behind is showpiece from pastry art. Thanks for being in my channel, Ahmed Younes.